So I'm in Canva today and I wanted to share how to set up a brand kit. So you'll do that if you have a pro account. Maybe you have a Canva Teams, you have the Canva for Education, Canva for Nonprofits. All of those allow you to set up a brand kit so that you can bring all your assets together in one place. This is not available if you have the free Canva account. So from my home screen, I can get into the menu on the left and get into brand. You'll see that I actually have a few different brand kits started, and I looked it up for you. You can have up to 1,000 different brand kits, and each of those brand kits can have up to 1,000 um, assets within them. So logos, pictures, whatever you need. I'm going to click into the one for my business so you can see within a brand kit, you have a space for your logos. You also have a space for your colors. If you want to design some color palettes, you can add color palettes here. I don't have any set up in mind. You might also be adding fonts, and you'll see within each section you can click the Add New and upload whatever you need to. Beyond that, you've also got a brand voice. So you can set this up. I just kind of followed their prompt that they had and I added that in. You have up to 500 characters, so you could add a lot more than I have put in there. And this will help those magic design tools get to know you a little bit better. So I should probably add a little bit more to mine. For now, I'm just going to roll on down. I've added some of my latest professional photos. I sure could add a lot more because, like I said, you could have up to 1,000 assets in here at the time I've recorded this. I also added in some graphics that make sense for me, specific ones, QR codes and badges and things that I've acquired that I might want to use. And I've added some different icons. So all of those things are available in the brand kit. Then when you begin using and making designs, let's get all the way back to home. And you could see if I were to create a new design, let's do a Facebook post, just so you can see. I'll start with a blank one. The easiest way to get to those assets is then to click on the brand option when you are building. Here is also a place I've been able to store some brand templates. When I'm making things that I want to reuse a lot, I can add them in to the brand template. That's one of my storage options. When I go into share, you can store something as a brand template. So just so you find all these, remember you can click see all. So if you're not seeing everything that you'd want to use when you are working on this, you could see all and then you could click the design that you wanted to bring in and there you've got it. Okay, friends, go set up those brand kits. Have a great day. Thanks.